Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna have like a house tour. This is or an apartment store. So today nandito kami sa ako pala sa Hong Kong. I just travel alone this time. So this is our apartment in Hong Kong and this is our life in Hong Kong. And then to let you know my a little background of me. Now we are currently really like living like maybe 90%, 80% of our life in Thailand because like my husband already retired and the two kids go to school there. So we spend more of the time there. And then on vacations and school holidays, we fly to Norway or some other part of the world. And then we also have a house, of course, in the Philippines. And we also have a house in Norway. And then Thailand is the main house. And then here in Hong Kong, since we are also Hong Kong resident, so we keep an apartment so that like, you know, just every time we visit here or like do some shopping and then like just to maintain the residency. So we rented an apartment here and it's very tiny, guys. So you know, like I've been here in Hong Kong, I've been living here in Hong Kong for like 16 years and then my husband like more than 30 years. So like, you know, throughout like half of my life, almost half of my life, I live in Hong Kong. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, the kids move here in Hong Kong from Philippines. So like we rented like a bigger house, maybe like times 13 or 12 of this house that we have. So when we decided to move back to Thailand, you know, we need to find a small apartment. So because like just to bridge, you know, the time because the kids are still having a school year, so we need to pick up like a little place for them. So we since the contract here is like at least 12 months plus 2 months, something like that notice. So you need the 14 months. So like once you sign a contract for the rental, you know, you're gonna be stuck for it. So like, you know, we said like, oh, we just get like a sensible price, like something, you know, like a bit you know. But of course, guys, like, you know, if no, you don't know how much like apartments here in Hong Kong, it's very expensive. I think it's one of the most expensive places or to get a place. So like, you know, like Singapore, London or something like that, Hong Kong is one of the most expensive. So to size down with the apartment is very difficult. So like the first time, like maybe the kids stay here for 2 months together with the one who take care of them because they need some adult to be with them. So like the 3 of them is staying here, and then when we are here with my husband, we just stay in the hotel next door. So like, you know, I just come down to visit the kids or like, you know, and then we just meet up to have some food or something. But then like, you know, just me and my husband just visiting in this apartment. But it's the 2 kids and the nanny is the one really living here full time for like 2 months, guys. So you're gonna be surprised with how much big this apartment. And of course now we're using this one just if we're gonna visit here or something, we stay here. So I think only one time that the 4 of us come over and stay here. So it's very difficult, guys, because we are used, because in Thailand we have quite a big space. And then, you know, like for example, like it's just like our toilet and half of my closet is the size of the apartment. So this is 220 square feet or like a 22 square meter apartment, or maybe less than that. It's quite a small apartment, guys. And then like, you know, so just try to imagine how you feel when you are in a big space and then like suddenly you are in a small space. So it's just like funny, guys, because like if somebody wants to go to the toilet, like everybody in the house wake up because like there's some noise or something. So without further ado, I'm gonna house tour you to our small apartment. So let's start here. This is the main entrance. So like from the wall to here, it's just like this. So I cannot even stretch my hands, so it's a bit small. Let you know that this 220 or 200 square feet na apartment in Hong Kong, it's, as what I said earlier, it's a bit expensive. So we're paying around 15,500 Hong Kong dollars every month for the rent. And then, that's around 100,000 pesos. So, sa Pilipinas, guys, kung nagre-rent kayo ng bahay sa Pilipinas, yung 100,000 mo, as in, ang laki na. It depends on the place. Siguro, pag sa Davao ka lang, sa Davao City ka lang, whatever, it's a mansion na guys. Pero kung sa Manila ka, of course, siguro mga 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms na apartment na ang makukuha mo dito. That's why, like I'm telling you, Hong Kong is very expensive. So hopefully, makat off na namin tong rent na to at the end of the year. So like I just want to let you know the lifestyle here in Hong Kong, that it's a bit expensive for the rental, and most of the locals, Chinese, for them, this one is a real house that they really live in, and like, you know, maybe a family of 4. Ito lang yung house space nila, guys. And then it's a bit expensive also, kasi dito kami sa middle of the city, which is like very accessible for everything. Pero kung medyo sa labas-labas ka na ng city, siguro yung 15,000 more, 100,000 pesos na rental, siguro medyo malaki-laki din yung makukuha mo. But then, since we are in the center, so that's why it's a bit expensive, guys. So I just want you to know, like, you know, the price difference, you know. So this is the main entrance, guys, and that is where I stand earlier. So when you get in, we have like space here for our storage, and then like kaya hindi siya pantay-pantay. Iba-iba yung storage dito kasi yung mga smaller storage namin na galing sa big house namin dati, nilipat namin sila dito, at saka we find place where to put them exactly. So like dito ito yung ano dito, guys, ito yung parang dryer siya, upside down. Yeah. Pang clothes, pang pa-dry ng clothes. Then may vacuum cleaner kami dito nakatayo. Tapos may mga cleaning stuff doon sa gilid. Tapos ito dito yung oven toaster namin, ay plancha, yung mga cups namin dito. At saka yung mga, basta, mga pichi-pichi namin, kung ano yung mga, you know, kung ano-ano mga nilalagay namin dyan. So, ito naman, kasi palainom kami ng tubig, so we make sure that we have this water, so that we can avoid to buy like bottled water or something like that. So we have this one. And then we have the rice cooker there, and the fridge over there. And this one is a storage. So, lagayan ng mga miscellaneous din. So, hindi kami nakatira dito, guys. Kaya, wala kaming gamit gaano. So, ito yung mga sapatos. Yung mga iniiwan kong sapatos dito. May mga ilan akong mga sapatos dito. At saka nakita nyo, guys, yung closet door ko. So, ito pa rin yung extension ng closet door ko kasi may mga gamit din ako dito. So, yan. So, that's the entrance. And then dito, sa right side ng entrance, dito yung very, very tiny kitchen. Ang liit-liit, guys. So, may, dyan, may washing machine, which is dryer washer. And then, dyan sa taas, storage pa rin. The same thing. Yun yung mga ginagamit naming storage doon dati sa malaking bahay. So, nilagay namin dito yung mga maliliit. So, yan, mga more on like food and everything. At saka dyan, mga cleaning stuff, siguro mga gamit din sa kusina. So, dun sa corner, mga knives namin, yung mga pangluto namin, yung mga plato namin. At saka may extra water ako. Tapos yung basurahan. Tapos dito, yan, may lagay ng bigas, lutuan, whatever. Ito, yan, mga cooking pots, mga something like that. Yan, dito mga panglaba, mga gamit sa panglilinis, nandyan. So, ito yung sink namin. Ganyan, yung lutuan, two burners lang. At saka look at that, guys. So, kahit naghuhugas ka ng plato, may view ka pa din. So, yan. So, in a way, guys, like, you know, just to let you know, we are living in Wan Chai. So, it's really in the middle of the city. So, it's very center. At saka dyan, pag lakad mo dyan, siguro 1-minute walk lang, MTR station na, at saka tram station, at saka may mga bus din, whatever. So, actually, like, you know, we're just behind Litong Avenue. So, ganyan. So, balik tayo sa entrance. So, ganyan, pag ito yung makikita mo sa entrance. Yan. So, yan yung dining table namin, guys. Galing sa IKEA. Sira na nga. At saka ito. Yan, lagayan ng mga kung ano-ano. At saka maganda nito, guys, kasi pwede siyang i-expand. The same thing din doon. So, pwede siyang, 4 to 6 people pwedeng kumain. Kung maliliit kayo, pwede 6. At saka kung para may space kayo, pinafold lang siyang ganyan. So, pwede 2 o 3 taong kumain dyan. At saka yun na, pag yan na yung living room namin. Oh, bongga yung living room, 'di ba? Pero pwede rin siyang yan din yung bed ng mga bata. during the night. So ito yung bed. So it's a single bed pero medyo malaking single bed siya. So kung sa Pilipinas lang yan, 2 tao na natutulog diyan. But it's my daughter's bed and it's the original bed from the previous house that we live. And then this one is very nice kasi pwede siyang i-pull out dito. So kung 4 kami pumunta dito yung 2 bata natutulog. So you can pull out all the way. Something like that. All the way yan, guys. So, dito natutulog yung 2 bata. Tapos, dyan, ito, ang vanity ko, galing pa to sa pinaka-old house namin dito, bago nag-move in yung mga bata. So, ito yung vanity ko dati. So, nilalagyan ng mga makeup, whatever. So, dati din, nung nandito yung mga bata, ginagawa ng anak ko yan na parang desk table or yung study table niya. At saka pwede ka maglagay ng storage sa baba, whatever. So, ito guys, mayroon din kaming storage dito. Lagayan nila ng mga damit dati, mga miscellaneous or whatever. So, look at the view, guys. So, that is the One Chai Market. So, talagang pagbaba mo lang siya. Nandiyan na yung One Chai Market. So, we don't need to really shop a lot. And then, para may stock na food. Kasi, everyday, pwede kang bumaba. At saka, very easy lang. Bababa ka lang. Tapos, mamalengke na. So, everyday, you can get fresh food. So, you don't need really, to shop and stock a lot of food kasi nandyan lang, very convenient. So maraming mga grocery store, at saka yung wet market, fish market, everything nandyan. I really love it. So even we live before in mid-levels, talagang dito kami namamalengke kasi I really love the market. So as you can see guys, lahat ng apartment is full of windows. Puros windows siya, guys. So, from here, so this is the kitchen, this is the dining table, and this is the living and bed for the kids during the night. So, tingnan mo, guys, ang bintana. So, nandyan. Daming bintana, di ba? So, galing ka dito. Dito naman, dito yung fridge. At saka yan na yung bathroom. So, ito yung bathroom, guys. Sobrang liit. Grabe. Parang ito yung sa Thailand namin na bahay. Ito, parang lang siya, pang lagayan na ng toilet. Yung size na to. But ito, lahat na dito yung bathroom namin. So, dito yung toilet. So, medyo malaki yung asawa ko. Talagang pag umuupo siya dyan, talagang punong-puno siya dyan. Tapos, itong shower namin, ang liit din. Tingnan mo, guys. So, kung ako, okay lang, medyo fit ako. Pero kung asawa kong, dyan, talagang masikip na, talagang tama-tama lang makashower siya. Tapos dito may konting sink kami. Tapos dito may mga lagayan ng, so kami maximize namin yung space. Yung mga, toiletries namin. Tapos doon, mga extra tissue sa likod. Tapos dito sa likod, meron din kaming hanger, lagayan ng mga towels. At saka yan. So, kung 4 kayong nakatira dito, kailangan nyo talaga ng maraming halayan ng hangers kasi 4 kayong, So, yan na. At saka ito na yung parang master bedroom, yung pinaka-bedroom. So, tingnan nyo guys, ang lit-lit lang. So, yung bed namin, double to. Double, pero medyo malaking double. Pero, sa IKEA din to namin binili. Mayroon din siyang storage sa baba. The same thing doon. At saka doon sa likod, may storage na yan doon. Yung mga something na hindi laging ginagamit. So, doon namin nilalagay. So, ito yun. So, dito rin yung yung mga hangiran ng damit namin. So, talagang nilagyan lang namin siya ng rails na ganyan. Para may hangiran kami ng damit. Kasi ganyan. So, yun yung suitcase ko. At saka ito, galing ito sa old place namin. So, lagay ng mga mga damit din, mga towels, ganyan. So, diba? Oh, nandyan pa yung paper bag ng ng bag ko. So, yan. May stairs din kami. So, yan na, guys. So, diba? So, that is the view outside. See, look at the apartments. It's so big and everything. And then doon, One Chai Market yan. And then, as you can see, this one is the apartment. This is the Litong Avenue apartments. Kita nyo yan, guys. Ang liit-liit ng apartment nila. Yung terrace, ang liit din. And that one, tingnan mo yun, yung nasa rooftop. Meron silang rooftop garden. Saka yung dyan, makikita nyo yung mga sasakyan. Yeah, so that's my neighbor. So, this is the life in Hong Kong. So I'll end this video, guys. So sana magkikita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod. Thank you so much for watching. And then please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, at saka of course, like, you know, just press the notification bell underneath so that you're gonna be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.